Hi guys, welcome back once again to Cook. I Chef Priya Jham today will teach you another very interesting recipe called Lauki Ka Halwa, that is BOTTLEGOURD Ka Halwa. Take 1 kg of lauki, grate it in cold water so that the color doesn't change. Cook it in a pan so that the water dries up. Then add in 400 ml of milk and cook. Add in 200 grams of KHOYA. Again cook it till the KHOYA melts. Add in half cup of pure ghee. Cook it for another 5 to 10 minutes till everything settles well. Add in 150 grams of sugar and 1 tablespoon of cardamom powder. Cook it well. Add in quarter teaspoon of green color and mix well. Garnish with almond and pistachios. The Lauki Ka Halwa is ready. Please do try it.